If you need a powerful PDF editor but don't want to pay full price, let me quickly show you how to save money on Foxit. We're on the official Foxit website. Foxit is a popular PDF software used to create, edit, convert, and sign PDF files, making it a great choice for professionals, students, and businesses. As you browse, you'll see different Foxit product and plans with varying features and prices. Since the cost depends on what you choose, using a coupon at checkout can help lower the total price. Before buying, it's always smart to check Techie coupons. Now switching to the Techie coupons website. On Techie coupons, you'll find a dedicated Foxit page with the latest active and verified Foxit coupon codes, updated regularly so you know which discounts are working. Now back on Foxit. Choose the product or plan you want and proceed to checkout. On the checkout page, enter the Foxit coupon code from Techie Coupons in the promo code box and apply it. The discount will appear instantly. That's it. Always visit Techie Coupons before purchasing Foxit to get the best available deal. The link to the Foxit coupon page is in the description.